Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change keyboard language in HUAWEI. To start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the System and Updates category, onwards open the Language and Input, then if you use the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, open its Settings, enter Languages, then turn on the switch in order to enable the language. If you would like to add a new one from the list of pre-installed languages, well, tap on it first. Let it be downloaded. And now if you would like to switch between those, just slide the keyboard like that. If you would like to remove the keyboard language, go into Settings, Languages again, and you can just turn it off or completely offload it by long press and edit like that. If you prefer using the Celia keyboard, well, let's open the Celia keyboard settings first. Then let's select it as our default keyboard. Then over here, open the languages section as well. Then add whatever language you would like to use. Let's go with Farsi. It gets automatically added to a keyboard. In order to switch between languages, you gotta tap over here, or actually, seems like not. Let me double check. Or actually, my bad, I'm sorry for the hold off. I've just mixed up a couple of things in my head, but yeah, in order to switch between languages, you will need to tap at this, well, globe icon, kinda, and as you can see, the languages get switched between Farsi and English. Now, if you would like to remove the language from your keyboard, just get back to the languages settings of Celia and uncheck it like that. Then you can also offload it completely by tapping at the trash bin icon. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.